Okay. Okay. First, I want to backup database from SQL table. Okay. This is our database. I want to backup this TMS. TMS right click, then tasks, and then backup. Here is backup. Remove. I have already in this database, so I want to delete this database name. Backup. So here it's location. Add location. Right. Okay. See E drive. I want to backup this database in E drive. TMS.bak. .bak is extension file of a SQL Server database. Click here, and then okay. The backup of database TMS completely successfully. So here is my database backup. Drive E, then TMS. This is backup structure in SQL Server. So I want to also restore database. First, I want to drop this database. Okay, drop database TMS. Execute. Okay, refresh these databases. Okay, drop this database, and I want to restore TMS database. Like right click in databases, attach. Sorry, databases, restore database. Okay, here from device, and to go to E drive. Here is the E drive database name, which is TMS. Okay, TMS.bak. Okay, then okay. Database TMS recorded successfully. So here is refresh this databases. This